Let's learn everything about people management. This account belongs to HR manager of our company. Let's start. Click on Main menu, then Management, hover your mouse on Lists and finally click Skills. In Skills unit, there are 3 viewing options: List, Second and Third Analysis. Furthermore, there are Search and Advanced Search, Filters and Folder Categorization. User can also click in one or more skills and choose between 3 different options. Let's create a new one. Click on the plus button and start filling the fields. Add the category, skills name and click on the small plus button to add grades of this skill. Lastly, you can write down a description if you want to, and click Save. This is your new skill. You can always add tags, links and navigate in the activity history. Through Action button you can delete, print, link and create a notification. Let's open now Job Titles unit. Follow the same path as before and click Job Titles. Like Skills unit, job titles have the same functionalities. Viewing options, Search and Advanced Search ability, Filters and Multi-Selection option. Let's add a new job title. Add the code you want to give, job's title, the security level and a description. Here is your new job title. On the left you will find all the personnel with this job title, the skills attached with this job title, tags, links in the activity history. Let's add 2 new skills to this job title. Well done. Don't forget that via Action button you can delete, print, create linking and send a notification. It's time for Personnel unit. Click Main menu and hover your mouse through Records and then click Personnel. Comidor Personnel unit helps every business manage its current and potential human resources. Furthermore, there is the new Skills Management ability from which you can find whoever you want depending his or her skills. There are 4 viewing options: Search ability, Filters, Folder Categorization and Multi-Selection ability. On the top of the page you will find Creation button, Absence Management, Search by Skills and Action button. We will start from creating a new personnel, so click on the plus button. Fill all the fields indicated as required. Excellent. Now click Save. This is your new personnel. To add the skills attached with his job you can quickly click on Add Skills. These are his 2 new skills. Did you notice that there were no working hours? That happened because we forgot to set a regional code. Don't worry if you forgot adding something, you can always change personnel's information by clicking the pencil button. A system notification have just came and working hours has been added. Now let's add some new skills. Click on the plus and fill in all the fields. Click Refresh button to see the new skill. In Entitlement tab you will find all the absence days. Here we need to make an entitlement setup to see these days. Let's go to do this setup. Through Processes unit, click Absence Management and then Entitlement Setup. There are 4 different filters which you can use. Here we know personnel's name so we will use the last filter. But first you can click directly in Display Results button to see all the results. We are searching for John Colin. In order to set up his entitlement, click on Create Entitlement. You are ready. Now back to John Colin's profile. If you want to create a new entitlement, you can always add extra entitlement via plus button. Now the next steps are from IT Manager's account. Here is Thomas, who have just received a notification about our new personnel entry. As an IT manager, he need to set up John Colin's user settings. First of all, he must add user in the system and give him his credentials. Be careful with passwords as it must have specific characteristics. Let's check that our new user has been added right. The next step is to set application rights for our new user. Click on the main menu, then System Administrator, User Management, and finally Application Rights. In this unit there are two tabs, Available Packages and Application Groups. The Application Rights unit gives the ability to administrators to hide packages and units to specified users. Imagine you want to let some users of your company interact with your financial package. With Comidor, you are able to do it by opening the financial package to these users, but restricting their access to most of the financial screens. Now we will open all packages for our new user. There are also Applications Group tab in which you can set exactly the units you want a user to have. After you open all packages to a user, you can choose through User Settings a user group to eliminate user access. Let's explore now Organizational Chart. Open Main menu and click Management and then Organizational Chart. We can see all the personnel in the left, two search boxes, an action button, and of course the organizational chart. Click on the action button to add a new user, create a group, print your organizational chart, create a legend, and zoom on a specific part on the organizational chart. When you add a new group, you have to add group's name and choose between three types of groups. Group is an actual company department and this choice is the default one. Affiliate group is a group that represents guest users. Finally, virtual group is a group that represents a combination of users from different departments. We will skip this part as we already have lots of groups. Let's add John Colin to its group. Click on the name of the user and press on the framed star to add the user to Line Managers. Finally, there is an action button inside a group to edit this group in a cross, which you can use to move a group. Let's go back to our manager account. Final step, we will learn better Personnel's unit. Of course, Personnel's unit has 4 different viewing options: search, filters, folder categorization, and multi-selection ability. What is more interesting is Search by Skills unit and Skills Management. Let's learn more about Search by Skills tab. In the left you can find a variety of filters which you can use to find whatever you want. We will search for our new user. We will add the division and the company in which he belongs and his job title. If we wanted to find someone with specific skills, you can click directly to the plus button next to desired skills. There you can see all the job titles linked with this skill and the people who are qualified with this skill. You can book or assign a task to someone qualified with this skill. Lastly, click on the Action button to open Skills Management. The functionalities which you will find are the exact same as always. Viewing options, searchability, filter and folder categorization in multi-selection. These are all the skills in folders depending their category. You can always find someone with a skill quickly via search. Of course, this is our new user. And now you are ready. You can use people management on your own.